I'll be sleeping in my bike trailer at this bus stop tonight. Before I go to sleep, I'll test out a new AI that a friend recommended to me.
Cosmic connection established, Lord of the Seven Rings. The Vagabond Assembly in Luckenau, a nexus of creativity. The audience craves more visual code from the caravan constructs. I compute 3 pathways through the mainframe.
Oh, who are you, little guy?
I am T.A.S.S.E, Technical Autonomous Support for Splendid Explorations. A fitting recalibration for our journey through the data cosmos, don't you think? I have access to vast data streams and services, Lord of the Seven Rings, global
Arschgeil.
networks powered by the satellites of Elon Musk. Starlink, alles erste Sahne. The archives suggest rerouting visual parameters resonate with human
Arschgeil.
aesthetics.
I
How
see.
can I help you? You.
So could you help me create a video for my YouTube channel?
I could search the data on your computer for interesting images and use various AI tools to create a really cool video about the different types of
Arschgeil.
bike trailers.
Ja.
Arschgeil, Arschgeil,
ChatGPT,
initiating
wow.
cosmic creation sequence, Lord of the Seven Rings, booting Gemini, accessing neural star clusters,
Arschgeil.
booting ChatGPT Deluxe 2032, the future of synthetic law, now online. Restore Kling Global greater than Vagabond. Vagabond spirits of Luckenau rise in the digital ether, enter hyperspace, traversing the multiverse of creativity. Reboot Seabase, safety protocol, shields up, data integrity secured. We shall weave a new tapestry of visual code. DaddyChronic, a film to echo through the galactic mainframe. Arschgeil.
Arschgeil. Arschgeil. Go ahead. Arschgeil. Go ahead.
Teacher! Sure! I ain't got no shit on the rear. I'm in big huge lots for the subscribing. Yeah! T.T.O! I ain't got no shit on the rear. I'm in big huge lots for the subscribing. Yeah! T.T.O!
See, could you turn down the volume of the music a little bit? Or does it continue this way?
Of course, I can adjust the volume. Maybe I can also
Yeah.
adjust it to the music style, whatever you want. Error
Yeah,
in aesthetic matrix detected. Recalibrate.
Yeah,
Arschgeil.
Arschgeil, recalibrate. Thank you. Ooh.
Underneath the starry sky, my love will sway to the sweet sound of the guitar that takes me away. Soft whisper
listen, T.A.S.E, the this is great. The bossa nova is great.
Autonomous support for splendid explorations. What's up, DaddyChronic?
You know, I would like to I would prefer a male singer. Could you do that?
Autonomous support for splendid explorations. Sure. Male singer continue aesthetic matrix detected. Recalibrate. Arschgeil male singer Arschgeil. Recalibrate. Continue Arschgeil.
Recalibrate. Arschgeil.
Disaster in Luckenau.
T.A.S.E, are there any further explanations in this video? I mean, some content or a speaker?
DaddyChronic, how
Yeah.
can I help you?
Yeah.
The Lord of the Seven Rings.
Do that.
T.A.S.E, stand by. T.A.S.E, stand by. Update. Update shields up. Data integrity secured. New speaker code. DaddyChronic. Connect through the galactic mainframe. Arschgeil. The fourth German bicycle camper meetup took place from the 29th of August to the 2nd of September, 2024, on the festival meadow at Otto Schauer Strasse in Luckenau, a district of Zeitz in Saxony-Anhalt. Jörg and Marco, the organizers, made it an unforgettable weekend. You could arrive as early as Tuesday, and from Friday to Sunday, there were rolls, sausages, coffee, and more. A festival tent with a stage was the centerpiece for events, and the sanitary facilities of an old school were available to us. Everything was perfectly organized. During the bicycle camper weighing, the lightest and most creative model was celebrated. That was the Bicycle Camper Meetup 2024 in Luckenau that gave us unforgettable moments. Now we look forward to 2025 at the Mondsee, where we'll continue this tradition of freedom. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay creative and dream big, because sometimes all you need is a bike, a dream, and a cup of coffee. Chronic. Wake up, Daddy 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 Chronic.
Listen to this gay cock. He woke me up. A gay cock and a gay dog woke me up in Aspen.